how to use EzDubs app. So if you want to use EzDubs app, then first download and open the EzDubs app. To make real-time call in another language, just tap on the call button, which will be on the bottom. Once you tap on the call button, just simply type the number that you want to call, or you can also choose from your contacts, even if they don't have the app. Then choose the language that you want to speak in and the one the other person understands. Now just talk like normal, and EzDubs will translate your voice into their language in real time with your voice and emotions. So if you laugh or sound excited, they'll hear that too, just in their language. You can also send voice messages, record your message right here, pick a language, and boom, it's translated in your own voice. It even works for group chats with different languages, and everyone hears or reads your messages in their own language. And there's also a text translation too. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.